Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can allow others to share your posts to their stories using the Facebook Lite app on your phone. This is a useful feature if you want your content to reach a wider audience. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down until you find the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to open more options. After that, select Settings. Scroll down and find the section labeled Profile and Tagging. Tap on Profile and Tagging to open it. Then find the option labeled Allow Others to Share Your Post to Their Stories. Turn this setting on to enable friends and followers to share your posts to their stories. Finally, your posts will now be shareable in stories, increasing engagement and visibility of your content. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips.